Good morning, kids. Hope you are staying at home safe and healthy. But you must be missing your school and your friends, aren't you? So, today in the English class, we are going to do a very interesting topic based on friendship. But first, take a minute and think about your friends in your class, in school, or in your neighborhood. Which qualities of your friends you like the most? Who is your true friend? Oh, you don't know the meaning of a true friend? Okay, let me tell you today who is a true friend through a poem composed by Vivek Sharma. The title of the poem is A True Friend. So let's begin with our first stanza. My friend, I need you. Please take me by the hand. Stand by me in my hour of need. Take my hand, dear friend, and lead me from this place. In this first stanza, the poet wants the company of his friend who will stand by him. The phrase stand by him means to help him in his hour of need. The phrase hour of need means the time of trouble, the difficult times. So, in short, the poet wants his friend to help him, to stand by him in his hour of need or in his difficult times. Now, let's read the second stanza. Chase away my doubts and fears. Wipe these tears on my face. Friend, I can't stand alone. I need your hand to hold. The warmth of your gentle touch in a world grown so cold. In this second stanza, the poet wants his true friend to chase away. Chase away means to send away or to remove his all doubts, his all confusions and fears. He wants his friend to wipe or to clean his tears whenever he cries. The poet says that he cannot stand alone, means he cannot live this long life alone. So he needs his hand or he needs his friendship, his true friendship. He needs his love, his company, his gentle touch. Gentle means loving. So he needs his loving touch in this stone-hearted world where people have no feelings, no love for others. The phrase in a world grown so cold means that the people of this world have become very selfish, who don't care about others, who have no emotions for others. Now, let's move on to the third stanza. Please be a friend to me and hold me day to day. If your tender hand holds mine, we will find a way. So, in this stanza, the poet convinces his friend to be true to him and to hold him in his tough times, in his difficult times. According to the poet, if his true friend will be with him, they together can find a solution to every problem. So, in brief, we can say that a true friend is one who helps us in our difficult times, who makes us happy, who removes all our confusions, who understands us, shares his feelings with us, takes care of our every small need, and finds the solutions of our problems. So, thank you, friends, and enjoy e learning.